Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another weekly Liv video. Right now it's Monday night and I just thought I'd start the vlog now because it's actually my flatmate Hazel's birthday, and this morning everybody had a really slow start to the day and I didn't end up going to the gym. I'll talk to you guys more about that now, but yeah, I just thought I'd start the vlog while Hazel's not here so that I can just blab. If you can hear random laughing in the background, Corpu is streaming, but I just thought I'd come on and just chat to you guys. So I don't really know how to explain what I want to talk about, but basically I've just been feeling really in my head the past couple of weeks, and you guys have probably noticed that my content has dropped off the face of the planet recently, which was not my intention. I was like very dedicated to staying consistent and doing like 2 videos a week and yada yada yada, and the whole Instagram photo a day thing, which as of today I'm still doing. I was so motivated and so ready and all that kind of thing, and then it kind of like dawned on me, or I've been thinking about it a lot the last like pretty much all of February, how much I care about other people's validation and likes and views and all that kind of thing, and it's just really got me in this funk. And I've just been thinking about so many things, like my job and my relationship and my friendships, and like I've been hyper analyzing everything, and I don't know what came first, those issues or the social media issues, or if I'm just having a quarter life crisis, turning 25 soon. Is that what it is? I don't know, but I'm just feeling like I don't really know what I want. I haven't been to the gym properly in like a week. I've done, yeah, worked out 3 times last week, haven't been yet this week. I just don't really know what I'm doing or who I am at the moment. Like I'm just in this really weird mindset. I really can't explain it to you guys. Like every little thing is setting me off. Like I have all these things that I know like aren't a thing. Like it's hard to explain because they're quite personal, but like for example, that like this particular person hates me. I know that they don't hate me, but my anxiety is like so intense at the moment that I'm convinced that this person hates me, for example. That's not one of my things, but you know what I mean. Like it's really hard and I'm really struggling at the moment. Just want to keep it real with you guys. Work is great, for the record. My relationship's great, for the record. Everything's great, for the record. It's just all up here, and that's what's so tiring. Like if it was real I could deal with it, but it's not real. Good morning. My camera died in the last clip when I was talking about something, but I'll talk to you guys about it now. But it's Tuesday, and as you can probably tell, I still didn't sleep very well last night. I don't know why. I had like a big chat to Corpu last night about how I'm feeling, and that was really good. But yeah, I'm still really exhausted. I can't tell if I'm sick or if I'm tired. I'm almost leaning more towards sick, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll show you guys my outfit. I don't really like it, but I'll show you my outfit in a second. Since the last clip, I went and changed my outfit, but I still don't know how I feel about this. Anyway, this is what we're gonna wear today. So I've got this top on from Kmart. It's just like a really flowy top that I've just tucked into these shorts. And I think I wore the shorts last week. I don't know if I vlogged them, but they're from Moreau. They're really, really old. But yeah, I've also got bike shorts on, which luckily you guys can see today. I just find it really hard to find clothes that I actually like that are long enough for work. So instead what I've been doing is just wearing shorts that are probably a little bit too short, but wearing them with bike shorts, because otherwise I hate the clothes. Like they don't really sell clothes for my aesthetic, really my age group is more what I'm meaning, that are long enough. So it's like I have to either dress frumpy or dress too hot for the season if I want to, like, you know, not wear stuff that's this short. But anyway, I've got to go to work. I have no idea how I'm going to survive today. I'm so tired. I think I am sick. I'm trying to find, we have olive leaf somewhere in this house. If you guys don't know about olive leaf, it's like immune support. Got it, thank God. I'm gonna take one of these. Oh, we've got barely any left. We just have the Go Healthy ones. I'm just gonna take one of these and hopefully it will save me. Hey guys, so it's Thursday and I'm gonna tell you all about last night. You guys have no idea what happened or what I even was invited to, but if you guys live in New Zealand, you might have heard of a competition called the Edge's Wedding Tossers. Nope, birthday tossers, and it was for somebody to have like an amazing 21st or whatever. So my friend Hannah, who you guys, I'll put a picture of us here, you guys might remember her from the Melbourne vlogs, and probably just miscellaneous other vlogs on my channel over the last couple years. She applied and she won. So the way that this competition worked is that every major decision for the party was decided by a coin toss. Alright, so here are the coin tosses. The first one was Peking Duck or Chang, who's like a member of the Edge, karaoke, so she got Peking Duck. The next one was 21st speech by her mum or somebody from her past. She lost that one. The next one was beautiful cake or cake of soap. She got cake, but we didn't eat it. I had like 2 donuts though. She made the donuts. It was just Jess Keiko. The next one, body paint or a handmade dress. This one actually wasn't even a toss, but it was a vote. But everybody voted for her to wear a nice dress, which actually was a play suit, but still nice. This is the one that I wish that she had have lost. It was really funny. Get a massage or wear arm casts. She won that one and got a massage. Her next one was hair and makeup by Beauty by Bex or Dom Does Your Makeup. She won that one as well. She was honestly so lucky. The next one is about the photos at her 21st. She got to choose them. This one she lost, and it was, oh my goodness. I'll put, if I took a clip that's PG, I'll put it in the vlog, but Mitch James sings Happy Birthday to You or strippers dance for you in front of your whole family. She lost that one, and that one was pretty intense. And then the last one was dry birthday or alcohol, and there was a tab, as you can probably tell by my face this morning. There was a tab, so I'm feeling very tired this morning, to say the least. It finished at like 9, and then we went out for Chinese, which I don't think I actually vlogged the food, but I'll put the clips in now of last night. I just wanted to give you guys an explanation. So it was at the Ridges rooftop. It was a beautiful, beautiful event. So yeah, I'm so grateful that she won. So thank you, The Edge, if you're by any chance watching this, which you're probably not. But anyway.
Shoot me.
Because we're not allowed to start unless she's wearing headphones.
Hello, it's Couples vlog now. I want food and I don't get. It's no food. So hungry. but I want food. Will I get food? Find out on the next episode of Will Couples Eat.
So I'm home from work, made it through the day. It was actually fine. I was just like, my headache lasted until maybe like 9 o'clock and then I was all good after that. I ended up going to the dairy in the morning, picked up like a little tiny can of Pringles because I knew that if I didn't get something that I would go to the bakery and buy like more stuff. So Pringles actually weren't that bad. They were less than 300 calories for the container. So, you know, no regrets there. So I had those and I had the rest of my lunch and I've just come home and I've got a smoothie. I will show you guys this the next time I make it. It's just like super basic. It's literally just like protein and banana and then just like some other flavored stuff. That's pretty much like the gist of it. But yeah, I'm just watching some YouTube and chilling. Excuse me, Corpo and I have the chiropractor in a couple of hours. I feel like I look sunburnt today. We'll see. Anyway, I'm just legit blobbing because I'm so tired. Alright, so hey, this is Hazel's room. Welcome. I'm in my bra, so I'll have to be careful how I film this, but she got a at-home laser device to try out, and we're gonna try it on my armpit. So here's my before. See you in like 8 weeks for the after. No, just kidding. But anyway, I'm gonna be the guinea pig. I'm ready.
Okay, do you want to hold my hand?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna stop. Okay.
It didn't even hit at all. Gosh, this is the most unattractive angle ever. That's a little bit better, but you can almost see my bob.
I thought I knew. Does it hurt though? It feels like a hot rubber band.
It is like hot rubber. Did you say a hot rubber band?
No, band. Okay.
Please don't give me 3rd-degree burns.
I'm not going to. I'm just waiting for it to. You've got to like. No. As soon as you hear the click, you like totally freak out.
My feet are so sweaty.
Okay.
Okay, I have to turn it on now because my boob's gonna fall out. Like. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday and everybody's here. I'd show you, but the door's open. There's Hannah and Hazel and Corpus in our room getting ready, but we're just about to go for the Omen Squad Summit. I wish I could tell you guys what we're doing, but it's all very vague. But we're going into the city and then there's like team building and then there's drinking and eating, and I'm very excited, and this is my outfit. Yeah, I don't know what else to do. There's like 2 people staring at me vlogging right now, but I'll vlog everything for you. I have a spare battery. Hello. Can you guys see? It's very inflamed. It's ridiculous, and it's like real swollen. I don't know what's happening to me. I think it's infected.
Of course. Okay, sorry, I was only told about one weekend, so that's gone.
Yeah,
So you guys can share.
19-year-old nail artist.
I don't actually think anyone's going to go for the salad, eh? I'm actually extremely that tag.
Streusel Kuchen.
You want some streusel kuchen?
Look at this is why we can't have nice things. Do you want some streusel Kuchen?
I have no idea what
That's what that
you're
is.
on about.
That's called streusel Kuchen.
This.
Yes. Apple slice streusel Kuchen. Going on a party bus. We don't even know where we're going. I'm Olivia.
Hey Olivia, how are you?
Hi, good, thank you.
Love to hear.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh my god. Oh Holy crap! This is the nicest thing I've seen.
Hey, I need a drink. No, me, I need a drink. Whole time
Oh my God. Say hey! Hey!
We is your driver. He's been with us now for, I think he got his license on a horse and cart.
It's not my birthday.
We've got the team.
So we're good. Oh my goodness, post paintball and archery. So sweaty.
Hi.
Good morning guys, it is Sunday and wearing my Omen top today for the second day of the summit. Wow, I have so much highlight on my lip, it's ridiculous. Anyway, I just did my makeup. I'm wearing the little sugar cookie palette from Too Faced. I'm literally just wearing brown all over my eyelid and then a dark brown mushed on my lash line with Jouer Rose Quartz to highlight and on my eyes in the inner corner. So yesterday, it's kind of hard to explain, like I got some clips, but basically we did some, you can come in, I'll just turn this way. Come, you can't see you. I just did some, we had like some stuff talking about different products that are coming out and like telling us about Omen and stuff like that. And then we had lunch, which was really yum. Went on a party bus. We went and did paintball. I have to show you guys my paintball injuries. The most painful one is my finger. You can like see where it landed, and then I got one on my thigh and then one on like my other inner thigh. That one's pretty juicy. I'll show you guys the bruise later. But like only 2 paintballs that got me out actually popped on me. The other ones didn't actually pop, which was frustrating, but it hurt. So I was like, I'm out, because you just don't want to get shot again. But it's my first time doing paintball, and we also did archery. That was really fun too. And then we went out to this place called, what was the place called that we went? Coney and, was it Coney?
Coney 2012.
Something in, I don't know, I'll put it on the screen, I can't really remember.
Stoney and Boney.
And it was next to the Hilton. That was really nice. And then we just had so much mac and cheese, like corporate did as well. They had these little like mac and cheese on appetizer spoons, and I had like 8 spoons. How many do you reckon you had?
16. Like I had a whole plate, a whole thing.
I want to turn the camera on you, but you got your pants down. Yeah, so we're going again today. Today is like just at the venue that we were talking at yesterday. Yeah, and I also have a cool backpack, which I have to show you guys later. I didn't bring it home with me because I wasn't about to like cart a backpack around for the whole day. But yeah, that's pretty much what happened yesterday. I am feeling so sick, it's not funny, like my throat is killing me. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go to work tomorrow. Luckily today is only until like 1 or 2 or something, so I can come home and rest, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to go to work because my throat is straight screwed up, and also I've got a pimple which is annoying me. But yeah, I'm going to go. I'll talk to you guys later.
Okay.
What is it?
I don't know.
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Was your vegan stuff like this?
Oh.
Yeah. Ah, yeah.
Is it like beef?
Ah, right.
I think so.
I don't know, it did, they have like a little card thing. Do it.
So is it by torch or is it like...
Oh, yours is different to that one.
How long have you been doing it for?
That's not the same filling.
Yeah, it is, I think. Alright guys, so I just wanted to come on really quickly and end this vlog because I completely forgot to end my vlog as per usual, but I wanted to come on and just say I hope that you guys enjoyed this week. I opened up quite a bit to you guys and I felt so much better. I did a lot of stuff this week. I had a really fun week. So please let me know if you like this vlog. If you have anything that you want me to show you guys next week or anything like that, please do let me know. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and just say thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all your love and support, and yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a really good week, and yeah, bye.